Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Math Textbook 2, Exercise 9.1, Question number 1. Find an approximate value of integral 1 to 1.5 x dx by applying the left-hand rule with the partition of 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. Now, here the point A, initial point A equal to 1 and final point B is 1.5. A is initial point, B is here, and H, the common width is delta x equal B minus A over N. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 partitions are there. Therefore, here 1.5 minus 1 over 5 equal 0.5 over 5 equals 0.1. So H is 0.1. The left hand rule, for Riemann sum with equal intervals with equal width delta x is given by integral a to b x dx equal left hand means we have to take initial point as 1, that is we have to take f of x0, f of x1 plus f of x2 like f of xn minus 1 with delta x means with left means we have to take beyond this point initially, that is 1.1 is there here, but you have to take this left. For left you have to take 1 and right you have to take 1.5. That is b is 1.5, a is 1, b is 1.5, so you have to start with the initial point x0, that is here x0 is means f of 1 plus f of 1.1, like these intervals are given like 1.1 partitions, like next is f of 1.2, f of 1.3, f of 1.4 only. We should not take 1.5 because already we added f of x0, so it's called left hand rule. Now we'll use f of 1. F of 1 means given values, f of 1 is 1 plus 1.1 plus 1.2, 1.3, because f of x is x only, 1.4, 1.4 with all multiplied with delta x is 0.1, which is equal here 4 plus 3 7 9 1, that is 0. That is 6.0 into 0.1 equal 0.6. Therefore, you can say integral 1 to 1.5 x dx is 0.6. Now, the second question, find an approximate value of integral 1 to 1.5 x square dx by applying the right hand rule with the partition of 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. Here the initial point A is Here A is 1, B is 1.5. That means here integral 1 and 1.5. Here H is with delta x equal 1.5 minus 1 over n is 5 equal 0.5 over 5 equals 0.1. The right hand rule, the right hand rule for Riemann sum width equal width with delta x is now we are having the sum. Here we have to take right hand rule, means we have to start with not with 1, we have to start with 1.1. That is f of x1 plus f of x2 plus f of x3, f of x4, f of xy with delta x. Here f of x1 is f of 1.1, f of 1.2, f of 1.3, f of 1.4, f of 1.5 with delta x is 0.1. Multiply with 0.1. Here we have the integral of x squared dx. That means we have to use it 1.1 the square, 1.2 the square, 1.3 the square, 1.4 the square, 1.5 the square with multiple of 0.1, which is equal 1.21, 1.44, 1.3 is 9 is 1.69, 14 is 1.96, 15 is 2.25 with multiplication of 0.1. Now addition is adding of all inside the bracket is 8.55 multiplied with 0.1, which is equal 0.855. Therefore you can say integral 1 to 1.5 x square dx is equal 0.855. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.